Hey guys, today we are doing a project pan. I don't even know what one we're up to. I think this might be number 4. Yes, this is... wait, is it? Yeah. Okay, so my brows today, I've just used the BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil in Brunette, the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in Medium Brown. Use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to carve them out, but that's not in the project pan. And I also use the Morphe Translucent Brow Gel. I've just got the hiccups just as I've started trying to film. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Anastasia Eye Primer, which is... what the hell? I can't... what just happened? Oh my god, I can't wait to watch that back on the footage. What the... how did that even happen? That just like... oh my god. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Anastasia Eye Primer, which is in the project pan. I can't believe that just happened. I'm just... anyway. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 39L palette. It's the one they brought out for the holidays last year. But I'm going to be... oh my god, there's so much of this eye primer in my eye. I'm going to be doing like a pretty simple look, so I feel like it's something that you can recreate even if you don't have this palette. So I kind of want to do like a brownie smoky kind of look and then some silver glitter. I think that'll look really pretty. So I'm gonna start with this shade here. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna use that and put that all over my eye. My eye's a little bit sore now. That's what all that eye primer in it. I can't believe that just happened, but anyway. Okay, that was just random. Anyway, I'm putting this brown on. This is such a nice brown shade. I'm gonna bring it up too high because I have another shade that I want to blend it out with. So I'm just kind of gonna leave it in this middle area kind of thing. Tomorrow I'm starting double uploads for the rest of the year. I don't even know if it's gonna be possible, like, but I guess we'll see. I think what I'll do is I'll take it month by month. So at the end of August, I'll see kind of how I'm going for time and content and stuff, and see if I need to, you know, drop back a month. So yeah, I think I'll do it like that. So it might end up only being a few months of this, but I'll try. I really want to try and do it. Yeah. Anyway, okay. So I'm gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna take like this kind of light tan kind of shade, this one here, and I'm gonna use that to like blend out, to like soften the edges and everything. I feel like that looks quite nice. So I'll just take a bit of a smaller brush now, and I'm going to take like it's like a little bit of a darker brown shade. Ew, I've scratched my chin here, which is this one down here. I really like this palette, but oh my god, it is so big. It takes up so much room on my desk. So I'm gonna put this through the crease. Oh my god, I'm just not having a good day. I'm gonna scratch my chin. I've got the stuff in my eye. I've got a headache now. Like, honestly. So I'm just kind of blending this out, just doing like little circle motions. And then I'll go back into my bigger brush and just use that as well to blend. Right. And then I'm going to take the black shade. There's two blacks in the palette. There's one that's like a matte, and then there's one that has like little sparkles through it. I might take the one with sparkles. And I'm just going to use that in the outer corner. Like that. And we'll blend it once again. Right, I'm gonna go off camera now. I'm gonna cut my crease and then I will be back. Okay, so this is what I've got now. And there's a silver glitter in here. There's also like a gold shimmer, but I think I'm gonna take this silver shimmer shade and I'm gonna put that like all over the lid, you know, all over the cut crease. It's this one here. It's like kind of gunmetal kind of shade, you know. So I'm gonna put that on first. It's actually kind of more duochrome on the eye, to be honest. Anyway, that's fine. And then we'll blend this in a second. I just want to put it on first. This palette is actually really pretty. It's majority shimmers, but it's just such a pretty palette. I don't know. It's really, really nice. Alright. I'm gonna take that brush that had the black on it again and just use it to blend. Alright, and now I'm gonna take the silver glitter. Can you guess what we're gonna do? Of course you can, because we've done this 100 times. I'm just gonna put that on the edge. And then I'm just going to take this brush from before and just kind of blend everything. Alright. I don't want to do liner today, I'll just leave it like this. So I'm just going to take the Makeup Revolution Mascara Revolution. I think some really nice big bold lashes is going to look nice with this. Alright. I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes and I'll be back for the rest of the face. Okay, so I just used the Doll Beauty lashes in Anastasia. Today for primer we are taking the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I can't wait until this is done because, I don't know, it's just a very odd primer. It's like water, kinda. I don't know. Anyway. I'm also going to use a Becca foundation. I feel like it's kind of ugly, but I feel like it might look a bit better after I put foundation on, you know? I feel like these eyes are quite dark and quite heavy, so I need like my face to match, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna take the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in Shell. I just don't exactly love these Becca foundations, and I don't know why. I really, really like the Skin Love one. I think that's what it's called. I really like this one. It's called Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I feel like because it's a little bit less coverage than the other two I have, I just like it a little bit more. These are just like so full coverage, it's insane. I don't know. I think I've talked about this before, but because I'm so pale, when a foundation is so full coverage, it just looks like I've got white paint on. You know? It's very intense and very like, I don't know. But anyway, I've only taken one pump for the whole side of my face. And I'm just gonna try and like use a little bit less foundation so I can sheer it out a tiny bit. Like, it's not like it's a bad foundation or anything. I don't know. I just think with my skin colour and I don't know. I'm just not the biggest fan. But anyway. But yeah, I can't wait till I use this up. And the primer as well. I don't know. I just have other Becca products that I love so much more. But anyway. That's on now. For concealer today, I'm just going to take the BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer. Mine is in the shade 102. It's very pink. I don't really like this little applicator thing because you don't know like how much you're getting out, and anyway, it's a cool idea, but I just feel like it's not very practical. Look how pink it is, that's crazy. I think I put way too much of this on. I really like this eye makeup, so I just hope that my base ends up looking a little bit better than it does now. Because at the moment it is a hot mess. So after this I've got to edit 2 videos for tomorrow because I'm starting double uploads, as I said before. So I'll have to go inside, edit 2 videos, and then I've got to do my workout, and this is my dilemma, okay? So usually I wash my face, get in the shower, that's all good, but do I wash my face to take my makeup off, do my workout, and then get in the shower? Or do I just do my workout with my makeup on? You know what I mean? You see my problem here? Maybe I should just take my makeup off first. I don't know. Anyway, okay. That concealer is on now, and I'm going to take the Too Faced loose setting powder. The translucent one. I had a bit of trouble with this last time if you watched my last project pan. So I'm bringing it down a bit further today so that it doesn't cut off so abruptly, you know? I feel like it looks a lot better today. Anyway, for the rest of my face, I'm gonna take, this is the Wet n Wild pressed powder, photo focus pressed powder in the shade Warm Light. Alright, for bronzer today, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. This bronzer is crazy pigmented. Look at it, like, can you see how pigmented that is? That's just where I've tapped the brush off, like, it's crazy. I just feel like it's really just not the right colour. It's just like orange or something. Anyway. Alright. Highlighter. I'm going to take one of the Anastasia Glow Kits. I might take the Aurora palette. And I might go in with maybe Eclipse, which is this one here. I'm not crazy about these palettes, I just don't think they're that great. The colour selection is not amazing. I kind of bought this when it went on sale like a year or so ago because I was like, oh, Anastasia, it doesn't matter what it is, it's on sale, so I want it. Whereas I feel like now I'm a bit more practical with my purchases, you know. Whereas back then I was just so excited because it was something Anastasia on sale, and I was like, I just feel like, yeah, I don't know, it's not like the most practical palette. And I don't love this formula as much as the other formula. This one's a bit more glittery rather than like highlight, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my hair, put a lip on and everything, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just used the NYX Lingerie in Satin Ribbon, and I'm gonna put this gloss over the top. This is the Anastasia lip gloss in Toffee. Oh, this is sticky. I also didn't expect it to be that pigmented. Okay. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll just zoom you in and show you the eyes. I actually really like them. I think they're very pretty. I wish that I had a bit of a nicer base. I feel like it would have gone a lot nicer, but oh well. yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!